Good morning. Yes. No, good afternoon. It's about 12:15 p.m. Friday, February 28th. Yay. Uh, you ever have a love-hate relationship? Popcorn. I love it, but I really hate it stuck in my teeth. But every once in a while, I love it so much, I just got to dive off into it and have me some. And then I hate it for about an hour getting it out of my teeth. Because, hey, it's so fun. But hey, you gotta love to hate it, or hate to love it. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a good day. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Sorry I missed a day. Yeah, apparently I goofed and put one up for the day before, but it didn't go out until later. And then, yeah, I don't know. I think I missed a day. Anyway, sorry about that. Anyway, I'm going to be trying to, handle a few things here. Did you know you're supposed to have an inventory list on ballot buying boxes? I didn't know that. Yeah, interesting stuff. I don't know. I got to call and talk to a guy, but I saw a video saying, you're supposed to have an inventory on what's in it. Some website thing. Yeah, it is what it is. Excuse me. Anyway, trying to get a couple more things into a few more boxes to carry out to the car tomorrow morning. Try and go to the ham radio club. It's supposed to be another nice day tomorrow. Nice day today. Problem is, it was cold overnight, so I turned the heater on, and by the time I realized it, it was already too hot in the house. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, heading to the club tomorrow and trying to get those. I think I got a whole box worth. I'm just trying to do an inventory on it. And I'm not good with paperwork. I hate paperwork. My fingers have been squished too many times to want to try and write something out. And I can tell you, I don't type fast. I hunt and peck at 12 to 15 words a minute. Just saying. What's worse is I got a nephew who does about 120 words a minute. Yeah, I think that's what he said he was doing. I couldn't get that fast if you shot me for every time I didn't get there. Yeah, just ain't happening. I ain't that fast with typing. Anyway, it is what it is. But yeah, I am so ready to get things going. Just tired. Got to get a few more things going. Somebody came by while I was in bed yesterday, and they were gone before I got back out of bed. Some around 4 in the afternoon. Yeah. See, I actually try to keep my schedule, which means by about 2 o'clock, I'm trying to be in bed thereabouts. And once I get in bed, I don't try to go out and check a bunch of stuff if I can avoid it. So, yeah, I'm not sure. I think what I actually got woke up by somebody knocking on the door to start with. And then actually realized somebody was at the door when they knocked again. By the time I got up and dressed and out to the door, they were gone. So I don't know. I think it might have been the guy trying to come by and look at the house, but well, I don't know. It is what it is. That's hazard of working nights as you sleep days. And yeah, when I actually go to sleep, I try to go to sleep. Mm. Oh well. More options, more things will happen. Anyway, let's see what was here. Yeah, apparently somebody got shot up in the Philippines. They're south of Manila, Tagaytay or something like that. Yeah, south of Manila. Hope they catch the guy and punish him for it. Apparently, they've been having a lot of robberies lately. Which, yeah, I don't know. They want to tell you to, your life ain't worth the $50 in your pocket. And then you let them steal it because, well, it's only $50. And then they're trying to hit you every 5 minutes because, well, hey, it's only $50. It's nothing, it's not your life they're stealing. Yeah. It's encouraging people to be thieves if you don't check them when they actually are thieves. Texas, we shoot those things just 'cause. Might be why Texas doesn't have a lot of thieves. The smart ones leave Texas. Dumb ones get buried. It's one of the things I do like about Texas. We just solved those problems. Yeah, we're kind of that way. I really hate the fact that, the rest of the world doesn't understand that, a lot of places in the world don't understand. You can't encourage a thief by not punishing them and expect to get less thieves. That's why Texas don't have that kind of problem. They're trying to sneak back in and finding out that that there's problems here with that. Yeah, I think it was just last week they had somebody got shot for being a thief, caught in a house right here in Texas. Maybe it was a week before. But yeah, kind of like that. Florida has kind of the same way. There was a sheriff over there saying, "Yeah, don't come to this county. You break into somebody's house, you get shot." And I encourage them. That's what the sheriff said. Got a lot that has that kind of thought process. You know what I mean? It is. Anyway, I'm gonna try to go get back on my little list because I do type better than I write. So I'm gonna try to type out a list. Why is there so much stuff that's got to be done? When I was a kid, I just threw stuff in a bag and went. It didn't, I wasn't toting a bunch of stuff with me. Then I got old and I started collecting stuff. Yeah, I got way too much stuff. Got to get rid of a bunch of it. That's what I'm trying to do now. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Lots of food